What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just want to do a quick intro of this video. I am on a super secret mission. We are at Corner Speed Ducati to pick up something that will form the basis of today's said video. Here's a sneak peek. So some of you might have followed me on social media and I put up a picture that I was going to put a new exhaust on the V4S. So I've bitten the bullet and done it. I was going to go for the Termi and I thought about it, but I reached out to Ducati and the upmap that they would have had to use for the Termi would have been non-standard, non-approved, and it would have invalidated the warranty, and frankly I'm not about that sort of ball ache. So I've decided to go with the Akrapovic full titanium system. So this video is going to be, I'm going to unbox this, show you the exhaust. We're going to take it down to Tony at Park It. He's going to run a base power setting on the dyno. He's going to take the bike, get the upmap fitted, fit the exhaust. I'm going to show you some bits of him fitting the exhaust, which is quite a complex job, and then we're going to re-dyno it to show you the power gains as well. And obviously we'll do some noise testing and things like that in between. So it should be a fun video, so let's get cracking. So, welcome back. Let's do a bit of an unboxing video. This is the Akrapovic, however you want to say it, full titanium Acra. Ooh. Ooh. So this is one of the end cans. Holy shit. That's nice. So the rest of it's all in here, but it's just all the pipes and brackets and tubing and stuff. It's not very exciting, so I'm going to leave all that in there. Can't be bothered to unpack it and then pack it all again. I'm going to get it off to Tony now, and like I said, he's going to do a dyno run, get the upmap fitted at corner speed, and then fit the exhaust and then do another dyno run. God, I don't actually care what the dyno says. I mean, it's supposed to give you more horsepower, but like, whatever, I don't need any more horsepower. All I care about is it sounds awesome, which it's clearly going to do. So I'll show you all that process, we'll film it, and for all those that are interested in power gains and all that kind of stuff, I'll try and keep everything as level playing field as possible. But the next time you see this, we will be at Park It, dropping the bike off. Catch you in a bit. Right, so what you were going to see next was me rocking up at Park It with the Ducati in the back of the van. But as I loaded the bike on the van, I went to take the dog for a walk, had a minor accident. I rolled my ankle walking Frank, my Rottweiler. And if you're squeamish, I suggest you look away in 3, 2, 1, because this is what happened. Right, so I couldn't walk, so Tony, bless him, I rang him and he knew how excited I was. He just drove all the way here, like 20 odd miles from his place, picked the bike up for me, and whereas I was supposed to be filming, you know, little bits of Tony fitting it and some of the dyno work, he sent me all those updates. So he's filmed the dyno before, we filmed it on the dyno after. I'll tell you what those power figures were towards the end. Suffice it to say, it was a healthy power increase, more than I thought. And then he's also sent me some updates of him fitting it. Apparently it's about an 8-hour labour job. It took him ages, bless him. But the bike's ready, so we're going to go and pick that up. So you'll see me going and pick that up. And then at the end I'm going to do some sound comparisons. So cold starts with the standard and the new Acra. And we'll do some flybys, and then I'll finish off with me riding around on the new bike, with the new exhaust, and I'll talk you through what the power increase was on the dyno, because I think you'd be pretty interested to see what that is. So yeah, skip to Tony.
There you go, David. Bike is on the bench, so let's let this exhaust change commence. I've got the manual in hand, which I'm not ashamed to say I'm going to use because there's so many parts, and we will keep you posted throughout this. apologise for my dishevelled look, but been here all day, so look. Cuts and wounds of a fucking Ducati exhaust install. Anyway, it's fitted. It has a tank. You just need to do some body work, but I'm going to do that after the dyno. Best you want to hear it start, don't you?
Right, just outside Park It's Performance Motorcycle Racing coming to collect my bike. Look at this. Tony's just finishing it off. Sorry, Tony. I'll get your ball spot on camera, I promise.
Yeah, I know, tell me about it. It's the fucking worst bit of me.
Fucking hell. So these guys have, as I said before, couldn't have done enough, really. Tony came and picked the bike up for me when I hurt my ankle, and they've been working on it. They've done some dyno runs for me that we'll go through in a bit, but I'm just going to pick the bike up now. I just wanted to film a quick bit in here when we get it. Tony's just putting the last couple of screws in, and I think the next thing we'll do is get it back and we'll start it up, do some sound comparisons, and then I'll talk to you about what the power increases and all that good stuff has been. So I can't wait to get this home now. Right, catch you in a bit. why so? Ah! So welcome to my newly Akrapovic shod 2021 Ducati V4S. Oh my god, it's loud. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you found that interesting. Just one thing that I promised to give you was the weight difference. Now you're going to have to trust me on this because my memory card corrupted in my camera while I was filming it, but the stock system that we took off this, we weighed that when we got back from Parkit, and that weighed 15.7 kilograms, nearly 16 kilograms. I was amazed at how heavy it was in the box, lugging it around. It's quite stunning actually. Now, drum roll please. The Akrapovic system, whoa, weighed in at 9.9 kilograms, so a shade under 6 kilograms in weight saving, which is massive. So I was really surprised about that. I think the only other thing to say, I've literally just, this is the first time I've ridden it by the way, in anger since I had it fitted, so I'm just taking it out to do a bit of a few runs in it and stuff. And the mat, the up mat that they put on it, oh my god, that's made a difference. It feels so much faster, feels more aggressive. The power difference, as you've seen, went from 192 to 205, which in Ducati's algorithm calculation thingy-majiggy terms makes it 230 at the crank. So it's 205 at the back wheel, 230 at the crank, which is mad. But yeah, there's a definite, I can feel the difference. I can feel the more aggressive power delivery, more power, even at this early stage, so I'm really pleased, and the sound is just incredible. Oh, it is literally to die for. So yeah, look, I hope you enjoyed that video. Just a quick comparison video. I'll make some more content with this as I get out and about and get used to it more. But yeah, I'm really glad I did this. The Ducati now sort of sounds like the bike it always should do, and should have done coming from the factory. A proper screaming Italian race bike. Just listen to this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.